If you work with documents in Microsoft Word, you've probably seen this. Your document looks fine at first, but as soon as you start numbering headings, things break. In this video, I will show you the right way how to set up auto-numbered headings in Word and create a table of contents that automatically updates. Let's get started. Okay, I've created this blank document, and here you see the sections and the chapters I want to use. First step is to click on the Home tab and then click on this button here, Multilevel Lists, and click Define New Multilevel List. If you don't see the full window, you want to click on this More button. And the first step is to link this level to the heading style. In this case, level 1, we want to link it to heading number 1. Okay, let's take a look at how we want to format it. I don't like this. I would like to see a dot, chapter and a dot. And then we move over to level 2. Here we want to do some changes as well. First, I would like to see the chapter number where I'm in my section. Then I enter a dot, and then I would like to select the style for this level, which is also a number. Okay, and then I want to connect this level to heading 2. You see that Word suggested an alignment for this heading. I don't like that. I want it directly under the chapter, so the first level. And you can also change the text alignment here a bit if you want. Okay, let's move over to level 3. Here we're going to connect it to heading 3. And here I would also like to use or like to see the chapter number followed by a dot, then the section number followed by a dot, and then I can choose the number style for this level. Could be a number, or maybe you would like a letter. Maybe that's nice. And you see that I need to adjust the alignment here as well. Let's set that to 0, just like the other 2 levels, and click OK. You see it directly changed the heading styles here. And now it's a matter of selecting the right heading styles to each section. So in this case, this is section 2.1. So I'm going to click this heading style. And here we have a subsection 2.1.a, and that's what we want to do here. So this is the third level, heading 3. And now we have 2 more appendixes. And it looks something like this. Now, if you don't like the standard formatting, you can just click on the heading style and click Modify. So let's say we want bold and we want maybe orange as color, and it directly changes the heading styles in your document. Let's do the same for the other 2 levels, the other 2 headings. Modify, and then click orange, bold, and do the same thing for this one. Okay. Now let's add some text to it as well to see how it looks like. And you see how this document is looking pretty good. Okay. Now the next step you probably want to do is insert a table of contents. And to do that, you click on References and then click on this button, Table of Contents, and click one of the predefined table of contents that are available. I personally like this one, and what I always do is have the same format of the heading of table of contents the way I put up my heading 1. So that was orange, and it was bold, and it was, I don't know, 20 or something. What was it? 20. Okay. And you see when you add a section here, you see that it not updates automatically. You have to click here and click Update Table, and then update the entire table. And here you see it appears section 1.1. Okay, you also see that the table of contents shows a number for each appendix. I'm not a big fan of that, so I will delete those two numbers and update the table of contents again. And yeah, this looks pretty good. If numbering still goes wrong, there are usually two causes. First, manually formatting. Make sure your titles really use heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. Do not type numbers or use just bold text. Second, copying text from other documents. Always paste without formatting, and then apply the correct heading style. If nothing works, start a new blank document and reapply the headings. In most cases, that fixes everything. You now know how to set up auto-numbered headings in Microsoft Word, create an automatic table of contents, and fix common numbering issues. In another video, I also show how to easily add page numbers in Microsoft Word. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.